Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a blue smoky eyes tutorial, so stay tuned to know how I created this look. I'm using a small defined brush and the shade called black in my lids. I'm creating a smudged eyeliner look with this eyeshadow. With a tapered blending brush, now I'll be blending this color. With the same brush, now I will apply this shade called navy above the color black. Now with the same brush, I will apply this shade called lake above the color navy. I'm actually gradually adding these colors above each other. Here I'm adding more black color to give it a more intense look. Now with a blending brush, I will blend all these colors that I have used earlier. Now with a small defined brush, I'll be applying the shade called black underneath my lashes. Now with the same brush, I will apply the shade called navy underneath my lashes. Here I'm following the same procedures again. Now I'll be applying the shade called lake underneath my lashes. With a small defined brush, I'll be blending all these colors together. Now I'm applying black Insta eyeliner. With a small defined brush, I will apply highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'll be using a fan brush to apply highlighter underneath my brow bone. Here I'm applying mascara in my lashes and also in lower lashes as well. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.